Hello and welcome to a new Oxford 3000 story. This song helps you learn important Oxford 3000 words about family and social life. It tells the story of a young woman who comes back home for the weekend. She meets her mother, father, brother, sister, grandparents, neighbours and friends. Together they share food, old stories, family memories and quiet moments. It is a song about home, love and finding your place again. Enjoy listening to the song.
I came back home on Friday night, the kitchen window filled with light. My mother smiled and held me tight. My father said, "You look alright." My sister talked about her plans. My brother called from far off lands. We sat together cup by cup, and all the years came rising up. This is where the story starts, with open doors and open hearts. A family can drift apart, then find its way back through the dark. And every face I used to know has changed a little, moved on slow. But in this house, beneath this sky, I feel my heart remember why. On Saturday, the house was loud, with neighbors laughing in a crowd. A neighbor brought some homemade bread. An old friend laughed at things we said. My uncle talked about his farm. My aunt kept the evening warm. My little cousin ran outside with muddy shoes and eyes open wide. This is where the story starts, with open doors and open hearts. A family can drift apart, then find its way back through the dark. And every face I used to know has changed a little, moved on slow. But in this house, beneath this sky, I feel my heart remember why. My grandfather told stories late of younger days and twists of fate. My grandmother touched my hand, as if to say, I understand. There was a child asleep upstairs, a tired baby in a chair. A boy was chasing leaves outside. A girl stood shyly by my side. A birthday cake, a crowded room, old photographs and cheap perfume. Someone mentioned a wedding day and how fast time can slip away. A relationship can bend and break, but sometimes hearts can still